how to add do not disturb shortcut to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. You will see wallpaper and style is here, so click on wallpaper and style. Now here, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, so if you want to add do not disturb shortcut on lock screen, so click on shortcut and click on no app. So after click on no app, click on this plus icon. So after click on plus icon, you will see do not disturb is here, so click on do not disturb. So after click on do not disturb, click on done. So after click on done, you will see do not disturb is as shortcut is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add do not disturb shortcut to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.